Hello everybody, this is Shane Eagan at Firkins Automotive. Just wanted to bring you this 2017 Jeep Cherokee, only 21,413 miles. Beautiful condition, kept it super clean inside and out. Take a walk around this bad boy here, really nice. Looking here, really clean. It's got the tire kit in it. It even has the accessory to hang the shopping bags on when you go to the store. Really nice clean interior here. It's got the backup camera. All your controls on your steering wheel, auto headlights, power seat with 4-way lumbar. Give me a call. My name is Shane, Firkins Automotive. You can only get it here, 941-807-3027. Have a great day. Thank you.